Oh no! The killer is about to break down the door and get inside. What should I do?
Help me!
Use a rope to climb down. Can I borrow your headphones?
What the hell is that?
What? What?
What the hell are you doing? Come down here and confess your crime!